Welcome viewers to my channel Learning Tube. Today we will start a new lesson of General Science for Class 5 of ICSE Board, Chapter 2, Bones and Muscles. Before studying this chapter, I would like to tell my viewers to subscribe this channel by visiting my page Learning Tube. Go to subscribe option, click in the subscribe option, then you will be subscribed to my channel. Then press the bell icon to get more video updates. Very soon I'll be bringing some more videos for my viewers, so please stay tuned, like my channel and subscribe. So now I will start the topic. Firstly, we have to know what is bones. Bones is the substance that forms the skeleton of the body. Our body is mainly composed of bone, and this bone is containing calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. The two elements, that is calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate, is very important for providing strong bone. Bone provides shape and support for the body as well as protection for some organs. Bones also serve as a storage site for minerals. We are drinking milk that containing calcium in it, which is very important for building strong bones. Next we will learn what is muscle. Muscle is the tissue of the body which primarily function as a source of power. Suppose lifting of back, walking, swimming, dancing, whatever we are doing with the help of hand and leg, this involves movement of muscle. So muscle is very much important for the source of power or force. This is the diagram of human muscle which is present throughout the body and very important for power and strength. What is a skeletal system? A framework of the body consisting of bones, cartilages and other tissue is called skeletal or skeletal system. Remember, without skeletal system, we are incapable to move or to do any kind of work. So it is very important for the structure and formation of our body. A figure is given below of skeletal system of human. You can see a different types of bone naming skull, humerus, ulna, pelvis, tibia, scapula, rib, radius, femur, fibula. This whole thing forms the skeletal framework. What are the function of skeleton? It gives shape and support to the body. It protects the soft and inner organ of our body such as heart and lungs. So we get to know the skeletal system is very important, that it protects our body from external damage. How many bones are there in adult human? There are 206 bones in an adult human body. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow is the inside portion of the bone consisting of living cell and blood vessels. This is the place where blood cells of our body is made. So bone marrow is very important part present in the bone. What is cartilage? The soft elastic substance present between two bones is cartilage, which stops bones from rubbing against each other and causing pain. Cartilage is also present in our ear. So it is very common example of cartilage. Next slide we will see the structure of bone marrow and cartilage. In this picture you could see the small red dots present within the bone is called the bone marrow, and bone marrow is very important part of the bone. Now this is the picture of cartilage. The two bone in between the soft bluish color is called articular cartilage, which prevents bones from friction. So viewers, this is the part 1 video of bones and muscles. Next video will be get uploaded very soon to my channel Learning Tube. So please stay tuned, like, share and subscribe my channel, and those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to get more video updates. Thank you.